Hello, welcome back to the workshop. An extremely disorganized and upset workshop. As you can see, my table saw is gone. The cabinet saw that I've had for the best part of 10 years, and we've just parted company. It's gone to a new home where it will be loved for another 10 years, hopefully. My new saw is on its way. It'll be here in about an hour. So excited. Buying a new table saw or a major piece of equipment is not an everyday occurrence. And usually it's a once in a lifetime or a twice in a lifetime opportunity. And this is my second table saw. So I am, what's the saying? Stoked beyond belief, pumped, excited. Let's just go with excited. So I've cleared the space. I've even taken down the old cabinet. They're the drawers left from the old cabinet, but I'm not going to reuse them this time. There's going to be a new one over there. So once the saw arrives and I get it in place, which is going to be an event in itself, I really don't know exactly where it's going to go this time because it's a little different, but you'll find that out in the next vid. I know. So I've got to alter the electricals to suit the new saw. I've got to alter the dust extraction unit. Then I've got to figure out how I'm going to mount the Incra table saw fence to it. And then finally, the overhead blade guard and dust extractors all got to go back into place. And I've got to do it all within a reasonable period of time so I don't delay video production too much. So this is, in a way, a kind of a, I'm really sorry, but please bear with me while I incorporate this new piece of equipment into my life in the workshop. I can't stop smiling, look at me. Anyway, thank you for your patience. Thanks for watching and see you very soon with the new saw. Ta-ra!